All right, today we do Chapter 1, Lesson 4, the distributive property. Yes, we are skipping 1-3. I'll explain that when I see you guys in class. Okay, so formally, today the distributive property looks like all of this happy stuff over here with all those ABCs. And basically what it's telling you is that if you have something being multiplied on the outside of the parentheses, you can multiply it into everything on the inside, known as distributing it, and it's going to be the same thing. So let's just do an example. I think that's easier than trying to decipher all those ABCs. If I have this multiplier here, this 2, I can multiply that inside the parentheses to both the 8 and the 4n. So 2 times 8 is 16. And 2 times 4n is going to be a positive 8n. Okay, if you were wondering, how do I get an 8n? What happens with that n there? Why isn't it n squared or something like that? You're just multiplying the 2 by any of the numbers. The variables are going to stay the same. Now, we're a little bit more used to seeing it written the other way, so let me try an example like this for you. Maybe like 3 times x plus 5. This is probably how you're used to saying it. And here I just do 3 times x, which is just going to be a happy 3x. And 3 times 5, which is going to be 15. That's your answer. Okay, this time I notice, I have 3 things. Have no fear, just multiply 3 times. Negative 6 times r is going to be negative 6r. Negative 6 times positive 3g is going to be negative 18g. And negative 6 times negative t. Watch out for that minus sign. A double negative means a negative times a negative is a positive 6t. Okay. Let's try something a little bit more complicated. Here they're going to be telling us to simplify each expression. If there were parentheses, I'd want you to do that first. And then after that, just combine like terms. It says simplify each expression, which is super crazy sounding, but it literally just wants you to combine like terms. So 6n minus 4n, just take the 6 and the 4, do whatever it says to do. 6 minus 4 is 2n. Now this only works if your variables are exactly the same. So like on 4b, I have b squared, b, and, well, nothing. I cannot combine anything on that because they're not like terms. b squared and b are not the same thing, okay? So you can't combine them. This one is actually already simplified. All right, let's try 4c. Y cubed, that can't combine with anything. There's no other y cubes. However, their 2 are just regular y's. So 2 minus 8 is a negative 6y. Write down all that other happy variables there. That's my answer. Let's do one more, just for good measure. Looks like these a's will combine. Can I combine this a squared? No, I cannot. There are no other a squareds. So how about 7 minus 2 is 5a plus 4 minus 6a squared. All right, guys, that is all.